Start your custom design furniture manufacturing business, furniture stores. How to start a furniture business. Furniture is everywhere, and we cannot get away from this facility. After all, this is one of the needs of all human beings. It has been seen that it is commonly used at home and the business place. Hence its demand has been increased day by day. This is one reason people do this business on small and large scales both, no matter whether it is about manufacturing business or retailing. The many types of furniture are available in the market. Those have been divided into a couple of domestic and commercial categories, usually made up of wood, plastic, steel, metal, fabric, and leather kinds of materials. The domestic furniture dedicated to home decoration, etc. The commercial furniture for office and other business requirements. To start a furniture business, you can invest a minimum or maximum amount, and it will depend upon your desired furniture product preference and the production capacity. The business plan is always required for every business, which will guide you in setting up the business. You must follow. Here are a few furniture businesses ideas explained. Number 1. Furniture rental business. This is also a simple method that you can start up a furniture business by offering it on a rental basis. Most customers require furniture just for short-term purposes, for a couple of occasions, work, and other related interests. You can offer customers different types of furniture and charge them monthly or daily basis. These kinds of requirements are most common within the market, and often, it has been seen. For setting up this kind of furniture business, you would like the location for a shop or warehouse, whether it's within the market or a demandable area. Further, you will need a few laborers for material loading, unloading, setting, and delivery. You can purchase the furniture in a limited quantity at the start, which will not cost you over your budget. Number 2. Furniture repairing business. Initially, you will have to arrange for the shop on a rental base and offer to repair all kinds of furniture, which required minimum tools, machines, and a couple of workers, including a sewing machine operator. It also depends on your financial health. If it is good enough, you may add specialized equipment, otherwise, the essential hardware is viable. Number 3. Custom-made furniture business. First of all, this business's requirement is to be noted. You will need a space to start this business that should be sufficient to cover the carpentering work and keep the necessary machinery, tools, and a few experienced workers. However, the business plan always will help you in any business establishment if you follow. After that, you have to introduce your business to the market by performing advertisements in various ways. You may start getting the individual order with less quantity and make it as per customer choices. Number 4. Used furniture buying and selling business. It is an effortless furniture business compared to others. Only you will have to buy used furniture from residential or commercial areas where the people want to eliminate the old one. However, you will need a minimum investment as well as a place to keep the materials in stock. Further, you could resell those furniture items with or without refurbishing them at a very economical price. Number 5. Various types of furniture manufacturing in a mass quantity. Suppose your financial health is good enough to invest in a large-scale furniture manufacturing business. In that case, you can start up with an advanced production system, which already includes the latest technology equipment. Furniture mass manufacturing setup. Furniture mass manufacturing setup is also known as a furniture factory. Typically, it has been observed that the vast manufacturing setup includes departments such as carpentry, painting, upholstery, metal molding, welding, and packaging, where all types of furniture are produced. At first, decide the furniture's type or style you like to produce. You may need pattern designing software, which can help you create a future image of a product. The next step, understand the market demand and analyze what kind of furniture's material can be used. After that, make the necessary arrangement for all the required material and proceed with the production. Moreover, if you want to create a similar copy of your competitor's product, then buy the single piece of furniture from the market and check their style and material along with their component. Moreover, check how they are attached. Further, arrange all the equipment associated with the production. Remember that mostly for stitching, the leather, PVC, and tarpaulin material required nylon polyester threads only, which can be replaced with the material thickness. To know machine and equipment details, please visit www.stitchingbusiness.com. Thank you for watching.